The legalization of recreational use of marijuana in Illinois is definitely a hot topic for employers. As of January 1, 2020, there's a number of items that employers should be considering. I'm going to discuss some of the commonly asked questions that we've been getting from employers. While I won't be able to give you a black and white answer to a lot of these questions, what I will be able to do is give you some of the things that you should be considering when reviewing your process and procedures with your outside legal counsel. The newly enacted Cannabis Regulation and Tax Act allows for employers to still have a reasonable zero-tolerance policy for their employees. What this means is that employers don't have to allow the use of marijuana while at work or allow employees to be under the influence while at work. However, just like with alcohol, employers will have the burden to prove that the employee was actually under the influence if they were to use marijuana as grounds for termination. Since marijuana can remain in an employee's system for weeks, employers need to take a number of things into consideration before taking adverse employment action. The Act does provide a non-exhaustive list of things that employers should consider when defining whether or not an employee is impaired. These include things like a total disregard for the employee's safety or the safety of others, potentially slurred speech or other physical limitations that are normally not present, or an unsafe use of equipment or other operational devices that the employee uses. How the law will be interpreted has yet to be seen. Employers should consult with their legal counsel before taking any adverse actions towards employees simply for testing positive for marijuana. They should also consult with their legal counsel to review their current policies and procedures to make sure that they're still appropriate for their current business needs.